Hi there. So in this video we are going to see functions in R programming language. So open your RStudio and then create one R script. Here we are going to first create a simple function. Let's say named hello. Okay, and then type function. Inside this function we are going to print one statement, name hello user, and then we simply call this function here. Now let's run this. As you can see, it printed out hello user. So in first we created function declaration and then called the function. Now this was empty function which just prints out some string. Now if you want to create a function with some argument, such as let's say x and y as variables, that going to print the content such as result should be x multiplied by y, and then we are going to print within that use best method to show x multiply by, and then point to y, and then use is, and then call for result. Okay, and now here when you call this function, simply pass on two variable values as 2 and 4. It should return value with z. So x multiplied by y is resulted in the result, that is basically multiplication of x and y variables. Okay, so let's run this, and as you can see, 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. Now what if you set some default value for your variable y and do not pass second value to your method? In such case, let's see what happens. It is directly printing this 2 with a default value of 1 and returning the result. Okay, so this was example of function with arguments. There is another way where you are just returning your result. Okay, so this was a short video on how to create a function, how to call it, how to pass arguments to it, and how to set default value of arguments for your function.